Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trishina Richards. I'm back with another video. On my channel I do home decoration and lifestyle content. If you're interested to see more of that, feel free to subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to do a clean with me and basically prep for my living room transformation. So I'm going to clean the couch today. I'm gonna also do clean the carpet, the rug, and then I'm gonna spray paint that black. I'm gonna also spray paint the table gold, and this one over here I'm going to spray paint in gold as well. So basically this video is going to be, prepping for my transformation video that's coming up real soon. So I'm just, preparing for that. So I'm gonna clean the couch, clean the area rug, and also do some spray painting. So this is all the living room. As I said, the couch is a mess. Whenever you have a toddler, that's what they do. So this is how the living room is currently looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the spray paint because right now it's sunny outside and I want it to dry as quick as possible. So stay tuned for all of that. Okay, so these are the items that I'm going to spray paint first. The tray, that tray right there, that tray right there, and then also the plant and the chain over there. So only the chain I'm going to spray paint black. The tray, these two trays, and the plant I'm going to spray paint gold. So I want to do this first, the smaller items first, because I want to see the color of the spray paint, if I like it, if I like how it look and everything, before I spray the bigger furnitures, like the coffee table and the side table. So I'm just gonna do these first. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and tape the mirror in the tray right there because I don't want it to get any spray on it. So I'm gonna use this tape. This is the only tape I have right now, so I'm gonna just protect the part that I don't want to be painted, and then we can start the process. Okay, so this is how the tray is currently looking. It's a bit messy, but the most important thing is that I taped the mirror, and that's all. That's what is important. So I'm gonna move over to this plant. So I'm going to cover this with a bag right here, the green part with a bag, and then spray paint down here. Okay, you guys, so this is how the plant is currently looking. I put a trash bag over the plant, but as I said, that's the main important thing for us to protect where we don't want it to be, where we don't want the paint. So let's go outside to start the painting. I'm gonna show you guys the type of spray paint that I use. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay, so this is the brand of the spray paint that I'm gonna go with. As you can see, it's going to give a metallic finish, which I really want it to be a gold shiny finish. So hopefully it will do as it say. So that's what I'm gonna use right now. And this one is for the black. As I said, I'm gonna spray the wood chain in black. And as you can see, it says flat. That means it's not going to be shiny, which that is what I'm looking for. I just need something real basic for the wood chain. So let's go ahead and start the spray painting. So this is how it's looking, guys. I think I like the color, the gold. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is how the other tray is looking. I think I love the tray out of all of, I think I love this one the most. So I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm not going to spray the coffee table and the side table as of yet. I want to see how these spray paint look when it dry.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you, you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you.
So right here, I'm just putting the tape over the diamond part of this wall decor because I just want to spray the rest of it gold and then leave the diamond silver so that it can give that gold and silver effect. So right here, it's taking a lot of my time, so my husband decided to help me. So that's what we're currently doing.
Not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love. Not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing.
So after several minutes, we finally finished. So this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna go outside and start spray painting.
I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you, and that makes me sad. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise, paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time.
Okay guys, so this is how it's currently looking, which I'm so in love with it. I'm so in love with the color and everything. So I'm just going to give it some time for it to dry and then move on to the wood chain.
Drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you, and that makes me sad. Make it feel like paradise. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise, paradise.
Okay, so while those pieces are drying outside, the ones that I spray paint, I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning the couch. Okay, so I'm just using the Awesome spray right here. I just normally put the Awesome spray on the couch first for it to soak in a little bit. Honestly, I need some type of protectant over the couch because having a toddler with this color couch is not the best idea. So I need something to protect it, but for the meantime, I'm just gonna clean it. I'm gonna definitely invest into a couch, vacuum cleaner so that, I can easily use the vacuum cleaner to clean the couch each time, but for right now I'm just gonna do it the hard way. So I'm just using the Awesome spray, and then I have a sponge right there, and then I'm gonna also add some Dawn soap to it as well.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid.
So right here I'm using the Hoover vacuum cleaner. Honestly, I'm so in love with this vacuum cleaner. It works perfectly for my area rugs, and also you can use it to clean carpet as well. It's very good for that. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can clearly see the difference in the rug. It looks so much cleaner now. So this is how the decor pieces turned out, and these are some of the items that I'll be using in the upcoming video for my living room transformation. That's the color I'm going to go with, the black and the white, and also some gray and gold. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.